Hey guys, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you recipe number 7 from my smoothie ebook, So Many Gut-healing Smoothies. It's my gut-healing coconut kiss smoothie. I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I've got all my ingredients out on the bench again. Just run you through what's going into the smoothie. So we've got pineapple. I've just halved a really small pineapple, but if you've got a large pineapple, just a quarter. 1 ripe pear, black chia seeds, bee pollen, some kind of alternative milk, or milk if you drink dairy, hydrolyzed collagen powder, fermented kale, coconut oil, coconut yogurt, raw honey, and vanilla. Okay, so into my blender jug, I've added my almond coconut milk, 1.5 cups. Then I'm going to throw in my pineapple. And pear. I'm now adding in about a tablespoon of black chia seeds and then a tablespoon of bee pollen. Sorry about that, I just had to put my phone down. So a tablespoon of bee pollen. So I've also added a scoop of the perfect fermented kale. So fermented kale is a really digestible way of having your kale. It's fermented for much better absorption, much better digestion, and reduced oxalic acid as well. So just like a lot of my smoothie recipes, I love adding vanilla, natural vanilla bean powder, because it just tastes so good. So as you probably know, the benefits of coconut oil are many. I'll leave some benefits here on this screen. And the perfect coconut oil is organic and they don't use any nasty hexane gas in the processing. So I'm also adding a tablespoon of raw honey. Make sure that your honey is raw honey, not commercial honey, because commercial honey is basically devoid of all nutrition. Raw honey has so much goodness in it. Obviously, if you're a vegan, swap this out for maple syrup or rice malt syrup. Also, if you're a vegan, you wouldn't be using this hydrolyzed collagen powder, you'd be using our perfect plant protein. I'll leave the link below this video. So the collagen powder, rather than the plant protein, is the gut healing element, because collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, and as we age we lose collagen production, so it's really important to keep boosting it with a collagen supplement. So because this is called my gut healing coconut kiss smoothie, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of coconut yogurt as well. And then finally a handful of goji berries. And then I'm going to add some ice and whiz it up, and it's ready to go. So I have a feeling that in the ebook I didn't actually blend the goji berries, I just had them sitting on top of the smoothie. That's why the smoothie looks more white. This looks more kind of apricot colour. So I'll let you be the judge of that. You might want them in the smoothie blended, or you might prefer them to sit on top. So now I'm just going to put a few goji berries on the top of this one. And it's good to go. So there you have it guys, that's our gut healing coconut kiss smoothie. I hope you enjoy. So if you liked today's video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.